Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Why are you pointing like this?
Oh, sorry.
Say sorry to them.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Ana Asif.
Asif by Arabic like
My bad. My bad.
Yeah, I apologize guys because you don't have to say assalamu alaikum.
I stand corrected.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
today we are reacting and we are back again to our beloved people, Bangladeshi people. People from Bangladesh?
We call it Bangladeshi.
Bangladeshi.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And people from South Sudan?
South Sudanese.
People from Sudan?
Sudanese.
People from India?
Indian.
Pakistan?
Pakistani.
Okay, so we are back to Nepal. So we are back to our Bangladeshi people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we have one suggested video here by the title Modern Dhaka City.
Dhaka City, Bangladesh.
So,
Beautiful.
we say Dhaka is?
The capital.
The capital.
Don't tell them. We want them to know.
Correct.
So today we are going to see
Yeah.
it's a 4K drone view of the Dhaka City.
Dhaka City.
So
from
Dhaka?
up, from the,
From up.
From upside.
Yeah. So Dhaka is the capital city of
Bangladesh. Dhaka.
Yeah. And who is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh?
Sheikh
Hussain.
It's true.
Okay, so
Yeah, she's the woman.
yeah, she's a woman.
Hussain.
So without wasting
Time.
tell them to subscribe first. Did you subscribe?
Please, guys, you guys should subscribe.
Yeah.
Support my brother ministry by subscribe.
We are planning to
like,
visit Bangladesh.
and also share, comment. Please, guys, we beg you. All right.
Guys, don't forget to follow up because we will do reaction regularly on Bangladesh.
Without you guys, we cannot.
We are nothing.
We are nothing.
We
Please
want you to
support
be
us
there
so that
we will
all
react.
of us will react and we will climb
Show
the
you
ladder.
our love.
Yeah, please, we
Yeah.
beg you. Okay.
Joy Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay,
Please
let's start.
subscribe so that even you guys can witness or you can see the video that we never release also.
Yes, sir.
That's so.
Let's
Yeah.
start.
Modern Dhaka City, Bangladesh.
This is the capital city of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is the country who separated from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Pakistan separated from
India.
India. And see how they improve.
See the drone, like it's bringing 4K.
The view.
4K, right?
This is 4K view.
Yeah, 4K view.
The drone views.
Look at the town. So clean.
So what we have bitir rak.
Yeah, drone.
Drone,
Drone,
yeah.
drone.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is the capital city, man. See
Just
how
like
nice.
US.
It look like UK, right?
UK, yeah.
Yeah.
Like all these European countries.
Yes.
You guys please pardon me, my tongue, sorry, yeah.
They are speaking Urdu, I think, something like that. Huh? Is it in Arabic?
It's a hospital in Britain, Urdu.
Yeah, yes, it's correct. Bengali, yeah.
Wow.
Because their language is Bengali.
My guy is alert, he's
Yeah.
alert.
Urdu is for Pakistan people.
Ah, so.
Yeah.
Don't confuse.
But this view, if you look at it from different angles, it looks like animation, right?
Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
something
it's
which
like
is
animation, yeah.
you'll think
Imagine
it's unreal, but
yeah.
this is real, man. See.
Real, right?
Yeah.
The country is very clean.
I've never seen before.
Hmm.
City. Just it's a nice view. Even the trees, like it's green. green
Yeah,
country.
they're green country. They have so much of river. This
Even the roads are clean.
Yeah.
The
Bro,
way-
let me tell you, this country is very terrible clean. Everything is intact. Everything is in good place, like neat, clean. You understand? Because this is upgrade. Once you split from
Another country.
definitely you will grow. You will develop, right?
Yeah.
For sure, bro.
It's just like you break up with your ex, then you will try to improve
move on,
to show.
move on to show you
to
I'm
show
better
how
than you.
I will be better than without you.
Yeah, without you.
Without
Please,
you.
without you, I'm
Pray
still.
for Madi. He got a backup before.
Yeah.
Pray for him.
But I'm okay. I'm
Yeah.
strong. Yeah, I'm
I
okay.
don't understand about it. That's right, river is there. They have-
I'm not. See, this
It's
one
not
is
that
inside the
traffic.
city. Inside the there's no jam. There's no traffic jam. I can see it also. Yeah. And there's no also pollution. There's no pollution. There's no factories which can release some smoke, pollution. Yeah, contamination. You understand?
You don't see it go here.
Yeah. And from the view, from my point of view, like this place is very quiet and very calm. Although I don't know the whole city, but this place that are showing us very quiet, very calm place. A good personality for peace
Peace
of
of
mind.
mind.
Yeah. See the decoration, the way they're building the Sorry.
Skyscraper.
Yeah, I meant the building. Sorry, the building. You know, it's not good to be an architect. Architect.
But then it's a business.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. First, this video is from Right Vlog. So thank you for
Watching.
giving us this nice video.
Alright.
So what do you think, guys, about the look? It is their first time actually to react with us about Bangladesh, but me and Mohib, we know so much about Bangladesh. So before us speaking, we want to hear from them. What's the beauty? What have you seen that you like here?
Oh, the building, the tall building, the towers. Same time it looks like very, very beautiful. Yeah. It indeed is very beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Indeed is very beautiful, you understand? Especially once you see it from the top, from the highest mountain, I mean from the highest view, you see it very nice and they will bring it in good views, you understand? You will enjoy it in 4K, you understand? So compared to, okay, let me say, compared to some places that I visit, we went there, there's a lot of changes, even the building, the way they build, the way it looks, it's very nice and very amazing.
The city
it looks like similar to UK, China, those top
And
places.
what is so nice, what's so different about this sea? You can see a lot of trees, plants.
A lot of trees, yeah. It's very green, yeah, everywhere very green.
Because see, Bangladesh, they used to say they have a lot of rivers.
Oh,
Like even on their road, you see rivers beside.
But I guess in this video, they didn't show us the night view.
The night view.
The night view, oh,
If you
yeah,
show the night view.
daylight view only.
You'll feel like you are in UK.
In UK, for sure.
UK.
So. Bro, what
What
have
do
you
you
have you seen any?
It's nice. He love it. Yeah.
Very beautiful.
It's so amazing, man. It's so amazing. So tell us more, guys. Tell us more about what we don't know about Bangladesh.
About Bangladesh.
Yeah. Dhaka, and what is so unique, like every state, they are known for something, right?
Something unique.
We want to know, like, what is Dhaka
We are
so
very
unique
curious.
about
We
it?
are very curious to know.
What is that city famous for? What do they produce?
Yeah.
Just something like that. We want to learn something. So joy Bangladesh, joy Africa.
Love
Joy
from
Africa.
Africa. You are safe.
Subscribe, guys. Stay tuned.